everyone, it's Paige from Deb's Greenhouse, and today I'm with
Anna.
And today we will be showing you guys how many petunias to plant in your hanging basket based on the size. So in front of me I have a 12-inch and Anna has a
10-inch.
And just very quickly, to measure them, you want to go from the inside to the inside. So you'll see here, this is about a foot, a 12-inch basket.
Sometimes your planters will have a thick edge that if you measure it, it will be an unrealistic representation of what your basket actually is. So that's why we measure from the inside, so it's like actually how much is in our basket.
So first we're going to get started with the slow release fertilizer. Currently we don't have any in store, but we do have some on order. That should be here in about a week or so. I'm just going to sprinkle some on this one. And today, to show you guys kind of how many petunias to plant, we have chosen the Durablooms. The Durablooms are beautiful, beautiful flowers. They don't require any deadheading, and they'll kind of grow in like a 2-foot ball mushroom shape. Do you want to get started with yours?
Yeah, so for the 10-inch to like 11, we usually put 3 petunias in it for the perfect result.
Yeah. And then here with the 12-inch, we do put in an extra petunia so 4 petunias in a 12-inch. And that will just really give you that giant, beautiful, showy look all summer.
So right now I'm just making some holes for my petunias. I'm just gonna plant them in a little triangle here.
Yeah. And then with these guys as well, we aren't disturbing the roots because that can actually lead to bacteria and disease getting into them. And they're not root bound at all yet.
Yeah, so you want to keep the root ball nice and put together, not squish it. Some people tend to squish the roots to break up the dirt before planting them, but
we don't recommend.
No, it's actually easier this way, I find. So here's my basket. Once this has time to like settle and actually grow a bit, it will start to form a big ball around the planter, and it's beautiful.
Yes, and the Durablooms are our like favorite brand of petunia, mostly because they don't require any deadheading.
Yes, the blooms will just basically push themselves out of the plant, the dead blooms I mean.
Yeah. So there is the 10 and 12-inch done. And you guys will have to check back in a few weeks just to see how they're starting to fill out.
Yes.
And underneath, we do as well have our classic 15-inch hanging basket and the
18, or this one is
well, here.
More, yeah.
No,
it's 18.
It's an 18-inch.
So this is an 18-inch planter. So for planters around this size or any larger, we usually recommend 8 or more petunias to actually fill out the full plant.
Yeah, you kind of want 8 as a minimum to really get that big, beautiful look.
So here I am. I got 8 plants right here. As you can see, that already fills it out quite nicely. But yeah, once they're actually filled in, it will be huge and beautiful.
And the same goes for any whiskey barrels. Generally, a whiskey barrel is about 2 feet wide. You would want to stick with 8 to 10 petunias. And in the whiskey barrel, you could add any sort of brass or something tall to give it a little bit more character.
Yes. Yeah, sometimes we'll add a spike in these along with the 8 petunias. So you can really fill these guys up.
Yeah, and then I'm just gonna,
oh yeah, sorry.
reach over. Again, fertilizer in every single basket. That way, if you miss watering with fertilizer, there's still a little something.
Gotta load that one up.
Yeah, yeah, it needs quite a bit more.
So we're using a bunch of colors of the Durablooms. This one is the royal pink, and this is the watermelon, which I love so much.
Yeah, and then here I have the soft pink. I don't know if you can really see it against the background, but it's just a stunning like pink.
This is the Durabloom yellow. It's like it's a pale yellow. It's not as bright as others.
Yeah. Oh, here's the hot pink as well.
And then the electric lilac, which is so nice, so vibrant. They're all so vibrant, it's beautiful.
Yes, they really are one of our favorite petunia varieties.
Got a couple of repeats in here, so.
Right, I'm just kind of shoving mine in. I also have another electric lilac. You know, I'm not usually a purple kind of girl,
Yes.
but I love this lilac.
Agreed.
In the 15-inch, you want to go with 6 petunias to get that same beautiful 2-foot ball shape.
Do you think I should put one in the middle?
Yeah, with that one you can.
We're definitely not afraid to stuff a basket